What if a simple website oversight could cost you your business? That's reality for Lisa Chen, whose bustling coffee shop nearly closed its doors. Why? Her website wasn't accessible for everyone. A customer using a screen reader couldn't navigate her site. That led to a hefty $25,000 lawsuit, thanks to ADA, EAA, and Wcag 2.1 violations. Customers tuned into negative chatter and sales tanked. But here's the shocker. Making your site compliant is easier than you think. A few tweaks or the right accessibility tool could safeguard your business. And invite every customer in. Don't wait. Turn risk into real opportunity today. Imagine this. What if you are in a different industry, such as health and beauty, fitness, or hotel and leisure, and your customers could not navigate on your website properly? Chances are you are more than likely to be experiencing the same fate. By being compliant, you prevent that from happening. If you are a B2C service provider, business to consumer, such as founder, director, or business owner, claim your free web audit. Today, not only that, we'll have your website comply and protect for free in 3 simple steps for a limited time while doing it. Giving you a peace of mind doing business online, preventing you from becoming a potential lawsuit target. So go ahead, contact us, click the link, or message me today.